It's the first time in history that a former US president has finally been faced with criminal charges. Trump was arrested on March 30th, 2023. Right away, notice the number 33 here. March 30th can also be written as 3/30. In numerology, we subtract the zeros, leaving 33. Additionally, this is happening in the year 2023, which is famous for being the number of the Skull and Bones secret society. They claim this number due to their motto from Genesis chapter 2, verse 23.
You both were members of Skull and Bones, a secret society at Yale. What does that tell us?
Not much, because it's a secret.
Is there a secret handshake? Is there a secret code?
I wish there were something secret I could manifest.
322, a secret number?
There are all kinds of secrets, Tim.
You were both in Skull and Bones, the secret society.
It's so secret we can't talk about it.
What does that mean for America? The conspiracy theorists are going to go wild.
I'm sure they are. I don't know. I haven't seen the web.
Number 322?
Many presidents have been public members of this secret society. Trump's arrest was on account of an indictment of 34 felony counts for falsifying business records. The heaviest case centers around $130,000 in hush money payments to adult film star Stormy Daniels. Trump hush money equals 216 English ordinal, like 6 times 6 times 6. It's funny that they're also calling this a conspiracy to undermine the integrity of the 2016 presidential election, where we have the number 216 again. 2016 was when Trump was elected, chosen by the satanic overlords as POTUS. The arrest explains damaging information about unlawful activity that was concealed to the public prior to the US 2016 presidential election. Also, from the day Trump was arrested, March 30th, 2023, to Trump's next birthday, June 14th, 2023, is a span of 2 months and 16 days. Already this event is riddled with 666 mathematically through the number 216. On April 4th, 2023, Trump was in court pleading not guilty to the 34 felony counts. This was during the Holy Week in the Catholic calendar. Hours before Trump turned himself in at court, pro-Trump circus member, Republican lawmaker representative Marjorie Greene of Georgia compared Trump to Jesus in a statement. Well, it is odd that this event took place on the 4th week of Lent in the Catholic holiday calendar, which is known for the persecution of Jesus Christ. This is also coming in just 1 week and a half prior to Easter Sunday, so is it any surprise that Book of Revelation equals 185 English ordinal, just like Lord on the cross and crucified Messiah? They're also calling the crimes a catch and kill scheme, which equals to 151, just like Jesus Christ. His arrest was also on the 89th day of the year, March 30th. Religion equals 89. The officer that Trump appeared in court to is Judge Juan Merchan. Type that into the calculator and you get the infamous number 155, which matches Christianity and Masonic ritual. Now for some more 33s. This quote was taken directly from an article. From the date Trump was indicted, March 30th, 2023, to the date of his next court case, December 4th, 2023, is a span of 8 months and 4 days. Jesuit equals 84, just like 34 felony. For more Jesuit connections, Trump's birthday, June 12th, is 26 weeks and 6 days from the Pope's January 17th birthday. Pope Francis, the first Jesuit Pope, is the 266th Pope. Seems like the Pope and Donald Trump are battling out for who will be the Antichrist. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment. Shout out to Truth343 for their help in these decodes.